seorang mangsa disahkan meninggal dunia semasa berada dalam jengkaut, manakala dua lagi melecur anggota badan. Mangsa yang mahu dikenali sebagai Hadi Wiono, manakala dua yang cedera hanya dikenali sebagai Hendrik dan Gabriel Marifa. Punca kebakaran masih dalam siasatan. Sementara itu, residen bahagian Limbang, Sebi Abang meminta orang ramai di kawasan Long Ugui, Lawas agar tidak menghampiri kawasan tapak projek SSGP susulan kejadian letupan tersebut.
Menurut laporan bomba setakat jam 5.54 petang Rabu, dua mangsa dilaporkan cedera. Insiden itu membabitkan kebakaran sebuah jengkaut, sebuah jentola, sebuah lori dan sebuah motosikal. Pusat Gerakan Operasi Jabatan Bomba dan Penyelamat Negeri Sarawak menerima panggilan mengenai kejadian tersebut. Punca kebakaran masih dalam siasatan. Petronas akan mengeluarkan kenyataan rasmi.
The possible cause of the tremendous explosion that rocked from summer.
Hello, we are from Group E4. Our group consists of 5 people. Me, Arieysa, Nurfarisya, Tiara, and Athirah. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the gas pipeline explosion that happened at the Petronas Sabah Sarawak gas pipeline at Lawas, Malaysia. So we're gonna share about the details of the event, the potential consequences, some recommendations, and also law, acts, and regulations that involved in this accident. So let's begin.
On the 16th of November 2022, an explosion of the SSGP at Long Ugui in Lawas, Sarawak occurred at 2:50 p.m. The fire and explosion affected those 400-meter radius, killing one person and leaving 2 injured. 3 vehicles were also destroyed in this event. This accident was most likely caused by lack of precaution as involving a third-party contractor.
While the accident was unfortunate, it could have taken a more severe turn, such as causing an environmental catastrophe or multiple fatalities involving residential areas or workplaces. Thankfully, with the safety protocol and environmental safeguards set in place, as well as the competency of the emergency response team, the potential outcome was avoided.
And wonder what it's for? Utilities, like Unitil, mark their gas pipelines with yellow poles labeled with important safety information. Measures like these help keep gas systems safe and reliable. Unitil works to make sure the natural gas system is secure and reliable with its integrity management program. Unitil staff monitors its gas system 24/7 to ensure hazards such as gas leaks, blowing gas, line rupture, fire, explosion, possible asphyxiation, or sabotage are dealt with quickly and safely. Regular upgrades to infrastructure and technology also improve delivery. Working closely with emergency responders, Unitil conducts drills and trainings on emergency response procedures. All these proactive measures and more keep the gas pipeline system safe and efficient, because safety puts people first.
Having learned from this, risk assessment and safety statements need to be reviewed and updated accordingly to prevent such accidents from occurring again in the future. Additional safety training and discussions should be implemented in order to improve workplace health and safety for both employees and employers.
This can be achieved with the VR technology, as this gives the workers first-hand simulated experience, which can enhance their awareness and also the ability to handle real-life situations effectively.
So the workplace acts and regulations involved in this accident are the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, as well as environmental, petroleum, and labor safety laws. It should be emphasized that employers are responsible for providing workplace safety for employees, while employees are responsible for taking preventive measures and giving safety compliance to their employers.